So now I'm getting close to finishing this den. I've got set 3 more tiles there in the left corner. And I'm working my way into the closet. So now I've got these tiles set, approaching that closet system. The tiles under that closet, I have set 3 uncut tiles under that closet system. And I'll set those with thin set, because no one's going to walk on them and no one's going to see them either, so I don't really care about the condition of them. This is an example of how weak and inferior this slate is. This slate broke while I was trying to set it. If it were stronger, that wouldn't happen. Here's another instance of this cheap slate falling apart while I was about to set it. But fortunately, I'm getting toward the end on this closet. Today is Monday, and I'm scheduled to turn over the keys to this house to a new tenant on Wednesday, so I still have quite a bit of stuff to do on the inside. This master bedroom, the tiles all installing, grouted. Need to install baseboard. The slate tile in this den is almost done. There's just 2 spots in the corner, one there and one over there that I need to install. And I still have to install some more tiles in the closet there. This has probably taken me about 60 hours, given the poor quality of the slate. Pretty incredible. So in the closet here, I just got to do the cuts on the perimeter of the closet, and then there's some over here. These cuts there, that's so narrow. I'm just going to put a grout line on those guys there. Here's the other side of the closet. Got to do some cuts there, along there, and then over there. I'll probably put a grout line there, or right there.